What's up guys, today I got here wax wood stick, next gen fat wood. A while back I showed you how to get fat wood, what it is fat wood, but guess what, this is manufactured one I think. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. This brand is pretty awesome. I have put to the test couple of fire starters they have, and guess what, the CEO actually sent me a whole box of them. Boom. Check this out. I will be putting to the test some of them and maybe going to do more tests with that stuff. I have sliced up a bit. First impression is, as you can see, with a little knife like that, it is very easy to slice little shavings, even from the side, not just from a square. And it is very soft wood, just like fat wood. I wonder what it is it's been soaked in with. That's definitely more than enough for you to start the fire. I have here a few dry leaves. We're gonna do just that. I'm gonna just shave a few pieces so that way it slides up, and there you go. We got it pretty good fire going. Burn time, I would say not bad. Lights up super fast. Obviously you can add on your little leaves, then twigs, and you got yourself a fire going with that fat wood really easily. Next is self-explanatory. Obviously this thing is pretty awesome, super easy to start a fire. Obviously keep it dry, but if you're going to get it wet, most likely all you have to do is just wait till it dries out. But I don't think fat wood works that well when it's wet. It might does, it might doesn't, but the best thing about fat wood, you don't have to worry about getting it wet. If you do, not a big deal, you just have to wait till it dry out. There you go, few sparks and it's looking good. Look at that burn time, I love it. That's definitely a next generation fat wood. Yeah, definitely have more than enough time for you to start a fire with this stuff. Sometimes you push it around, make sure oxygen will get into it, and it's gonna continue burning. And it's perfect, it's windy right now, so even in a windy day like this, it burns no problem. So definitely very good fire starter, very soft. I was actually worried that it would be too hard to scrape it off. Usually whenever you get pine fat wood, it is really hard to take off pieces. This thing is highly soft, pretty awesome. Almost look like one of those 2x4s pieces that have been soaked in something and they light up so easily. Now just throw it into your fire starting kit, survival one, and you got a fire starter. But I do love using this stuff for camping as well, so thumbs up for me.